This section describes the areas of the Incident Management Console and the features and functions that you can access from them. In the Incident Management Console header, the Breadcrumb Bar is a navigational aid that contains links to related records that you opened from the current incident request. In the Breadcrumb navigation controls, the back button takes you back one link in the breadcrumb trail. The forward button takes you forward one link in the breadcrumb trail. The forward button is only visible if you have returned to a record on the breadcrumb trail that you previously viewed. The drop-down menu contains links to all the records that you have viewed from the current incident request, including records that might not be currently visible in the breadcrumb trail. The home icon takes you to the IT homepage. The Show, Filter By, and By Role fields combine to control which incident request records appear in the incident table. Under the Show drop-down, this field has a menu from which you select the basic criteria by which you want to filter the contents of the incident table. The menu choices include Submitted by Me. These are all incident requests submitted by you. All incident requests regardless of who submitted them. Assigned to Me. Assigned to Me are all incident requests assigned to you. Assigned to My Group. All incident requests assigned to a specific support group of which you are a member. If you select this, you are prompted to select the support groups. Assigned to All My Groups. These are all incident requests assigned to all the support groups of which you are a member. The Filter By field. This field places further conditions on the criteria that you choose in the Show and Role fields. This helps you manage the number of records returned by the search. For example, if you select Assign to All My Groups from the Show field and Owner in the Role field, and then All Open Critical Priority Issues, then the Incidents table contains all records assigned to your groups for which you are the owner with the priority of critical. Click on the magnifying glass icon to open the Manage My Searches dialog box, from which you can edit, save, and delete custom searches. More filters. Now, if you still have a large number of records after using the Show, Role, and Filter By fields, click More Filters to open a dialog box that contains fields in which you can indicate even more precise information, such as product or operational categories. For example, using More Filters, you can add the product category Hardware to the filter. The navigation pane. In the navigation pane, there are two options, Counts and Functions. In the Counts area, this area contains incident request metrics. The numbers relate to the selection in the Show field. For example, if the Show field contains the Submitted by Me, then the metrics that appear in this area show the opened, unassigned, unacknowledged, and breached incidents that were submitted by you. In the Functions area, use the links in this area to do the following actions. Open a new ticket, search for incidents, set your profile, set your application preferences and application options, and view and create reminders. In the Incidents table, you can perform several actions. From the Quick Actions dropdown, you can perform the following quick actions. You can assign an incident to a group member, assign it to yourself, or close an incident in which the status of the incident is set to resolve. You can create a new incident, view the incident request record that is selected in the Incidents table.